Today I'm gonna do a recap of last week's price action on pound US dollar. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you for watching FXCap. I'm just gonna start right away with what happened last week on pound US dollar and where can we find this pattern, and the pattern is all over the charts. I'm gonna start with Tuesday. This is the start of the week. This is Monday. This marker right here shows me where the week starts. You can get that marker. It's called day of the week. It's an indicator. Alright, so as you can see, as usual, we started the day in consolidation. This is where Asian session starts and New York session ends. This tiny marker right here. If you don't have that marker on your chart, you can right click, go to time scale and check session breaks. Make sure you have that on, so you'll be able to see exactly where the day starts and ends. And as I usually explain in my previous videos, the day begins and ends in consolidation during Asian session. Then we have the London breakout and the New York reversal. Now, this is the pattern right here. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna draw it so you can better see the pattern exactly on the chart. So this is your consolidation. We go up, we go down, we go back up, and we finish sideways. This happened Tuesday. Pretty much the same thing happened Wednesday, but it was just a smaller variation. Consolidation, up, down, back up again, consolidation. And the same thing happened on Friday. We had a lot of news coming in on Friday, the NFP, and that's why the chart looks so messy. But if you ignore all the noise and just draw the same thing, it's this time down, up, down. Let's say up one more time. We're adding consolidation, which is exactly the same thing as this move right here. It just came down, up, not up, down like the previous times. Now I'm just gonna take a step back and try to look at the bigger picture to show you guys that this pattern is happening on micro and macro time frames. And if you look at this whole move, this is the last week 5-day period. That's Sunday here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And as you can see, we started the week in consolidation. We broke to the downside. We came up, then we came back down, ended the week in consolidation. This is why this is not actually considered a pattern. It's just how people react to the markets. This is based only on human emotion, and it will continue to happen every single week. And that's how markets create trends. That's how they create range movement, and that's why it's just so powerful. If you learn how to spot these moves, then you'll be able to consistently make profits on the markets. You can see here, it's just the same thing repeats over and over again, and that's why I'm gonna try to give you a little hint of what I think it might happen for next week. So I'm just gonna take these off. I'm just gonna leave one on the chart. Alright, so what I think it will happen next week is that right now, if we consider this the first part of the pattern or the market move, so this is our consolidation, and right now we have a break to the downside. So what we can expect here in this level, or maybe underneath, so we can catch the liquidity underneath this level, maybe right here in this area, you can expect a reversal off of these lows. This is 2 weeks ago, this low is from 2 weeks ago, and maybe expect some kind of stop hunt to grab the liquidity underneath this level. And now, as I said, looking at this pattern, this is going to be the inverse version. So coming out of the consolidation, we came down. Now we can expect a move up past that consolidation, and then come back down, end up in sideways. Now this might not happen for, like this next week, this entire move, because that's a lot of structure, but you can expect this to happen maybe in the next 2 weeks if we get a reversal here. Now that's the main key. You don't just draw something on the chart and expect to whatever your prediction is to happen. You have to watch for the price action to show you that whatever you thought about, it's, there is a chance of that happening going to next week. So that's my analysis for now and my expectations for coming into next week. Today's Saturday, so I'm gonna watch these levels right here between 129.45, 129.40 and 129.70 very close for another potential stop hunt to the low and then reversal to the upside. Now obviously there's the possibility that this level is not gonna hold and we're just gonna go through this level, which is okay. I'm just trying to give you a little bit more in-depth picture of the whole move that can possibly happen, especially if you're a seller in this market. You can be profitable right now, and you try to catch another move to the downside, but don't add to your positions in this area right here, even if it looks like it's breaking to the downside, but you have a nice solid confirmation. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment below if you have any questions about the market structure and this psychological pattern. Feel free to take a screenshot of this and print it out, have it somewhere next to your computer. And this happens every single day. As I said, this is 15-minute chart. If you go up to 4-hour chart, you'll see it again. I guarantee you that. And that's why I said right now I'm expecting to have this we already did the consolidation. This was a small head and shoulders, like this move right here. We came back down. Now I want to see a strong move to the upside past all these highs right here. Even if it's not exactly one-to-one, maybe a little bit higher. And then I want to be a seller from here down to this area again. But that's, probably 2 weeks ahead in the future if we get the reversal. So this is the key level for next week. I'll see you guys in the next video.